Hello everyone and thank you for tuning in another epic episode on Maxi channel. Today's episode, like usual, is going to be full of crazy situations caught on BIKERS camera, so make sure to sit back and enjoy today's clips.
I'm the best she can call me commander, cause she better listen, I'm just playing, this is band.
Angry Karen was driving way over the speed limit, but that didn't prevent her from yelling at bikers. This is your usual self-entitled move. Check it out.
Come here, just 1 second. Let me say something.
Hold me back, man. I'm gonna get up. Whoa. Hold me back a little bit. Hold me back. You lucky they hold me.
Look. Driving like it's no better than us. It's no better. Bro, you're going above the speed limit. Look how mad you are. Look how mad you are.
Two drivers got stuck on a bridge, and instead of acting like mature people, they decided to stop the whole traffic and have a meaningless argument.
Look this. What's going on?
Bloke in the van's not moving.
Oh, for f***. What's going on? Why are you not moving?
Oh, I don't know. Get over the head.
Well, look, it's just safer for you just to move back, just for everyone. Otherwise the police are going to get involved, someone's going to get a ticket. What's the...
Get over the head. That was right away.
Sorry, am I in your way?
Get over the head. That was right away.
I know, but either way, there's... what's the point? You know what I mean? Like... Sorry, mate.
I've got to go back.
Yeah, but there's no point getting in the mood with it. They're like...
This lady just said that they're local. How on earth does that help anything? You're local, and that gives you certain privileges? This is crazy logic.
I know, it doesn't matter if you're local or not. I mean, even with them, it does... I know.
You tell me what to do.
I'm not telling you what to do, I'm just saying, let's just get on with it, because it's not going to make a difference, is it? Like, at the end of the day, you want to get home, they want to get home, or wherever they're going. It's going to make no difference just sitting here all day having an argument over nothing.
They're going now, so why did they go in the beginning? They saw us coming, they still came up.
Yeah, well, like I said, there's just no point having an argument over nothing. What's it?
Driver pulled out in front of the biker without bothering to look both ways first. But unlike your typical self-entitled driver, this one admitted his fault and apologized.
Hello, it's me.
Are you? That's all right. You gotta make sure to look, man. We're so many deaths. That was this close.
I can't say anything else. I apologize.
Please make sure you look.
Huh?
The next time you're screaming up and down the street, I'm calling the cops.
Go for it.
Is it registered?
No.
No, it's not. I've got video of you now coming up the street, so next time over here, you're coming up and down here, I'm calling the cops.
Go for it.
You're going to be smart.
No, I'm just saying.
Alright, just so you know.
What hell?
Knock on your door. You shouldn't be screaming up and down the street. No, it's not registered. You shouldn't be screaming up and down here. Just keep walking around.
I don't see the problem, mate. I don't see the problem.
Of course, you didn't see the biker approaching because you weren't paying attention at the road. Next time, try to be more focused on your surroundings and things will be much clearer.
What was that, boss? Why you want to kill me?
I didn't want to kill you. You're right, yeah?
Bro.
That's okay. Have a good day, yeah?
Drive safe, man.
Đây có motor bike nào hả?
The van driver had plenty of opportunities to stop and let the biker pass, but he chose to go all the way out onto the road. As a result, the biker nearly ended up in a ditch. Check out what happened next.
Tu fais quoi, frère?
Putain, faites attention.
Oui, je m'excuse, vraiment.
C'est pas grave, vous avez vraiment failli me rentrer dedans.
Oui, je comprends.
C'est pas grave, mais faites vraiment attention.
If you're watching this clip, you can see how bad and wrong this driver's move actually is. Please, never act like this driver here. Indicating on time and checking your mirrors is a must if you want to stay safe and keep everyone else safe as well. For one reason or another, this driver got mad at the biker even though he pulled out in front of him. This crazy situation didn't end there. Check out what happened moments later.
Well, mate. Got a brake light out. One of your brake lights are out.
Ah, yeah, put that right back.
Yeah, it's out. Okay. Day and age, in these conditions.
Not everyone will be brave enough to make a move like this biker. It was really risky, but in the end, he managed to get to the other side.
Are you not looking at me? How come you didn't see me? My lights are on, everything. You gotta be careful next time.
Biker is so used to these kinds of scenarios that it became a natural thing for him.
Yo, man, are you coming at me right now, bro? Are you coming at me right now?
No.
Well, don't, because I'm...
Hey, bro, never fails.
What's up, boy? Oh!
Já se estropiando aí, esquece do corredor.
With this clip, we conclude yet another epic episode on Maxi channel, and I hope that you learned something out of all the mistakes we showed you. After all, why not learn from the mistakes of others if you can? Make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button because your support means a lot. Until the next episode, ride safe and take care.